I was not always confident. There was a time in my life when I was afraid to speak, afraid to try new things, afraid to fail. My name is Adil. I was an ordinary boy with ordinary dreams. But inside, I felt small. In school, when the teacher asked a question, I knew the answer sometimes, but I never raised my hand. My heart beat fast. My hands felt cold. My mind said, "What if you are wrong? What if people laugh?" So I stayed quiet. Every time I stayed quiet, my confidence became smaller. One day, our teacher announced a speaking competition. Each student had to speak for 2 minutes in front of the class. When I heard this, my heart felt heavy. I thought, I cannot do this. I am not made for speaking. For many days, I avoided thinking about it. But the competition day came. My name was on the list. I could not escape. The night before the competition, I could not sleep well. I kept imagining myself forgetting words, my classmates laughing, my teacher looking disappointed. The next morning, I went to school with fear in my heart. When my turn came, my legs were shaking. I walked slowly to the stage. For a moment, I wanted to run away, but then I remembered something my father once told me. He said, "Confidence does not come before action. It comes after action." Those words stayed in my mind. I took a deep breath. I looked at the audience. My voice was soft at first. I made small mistakes, but I continued speaking. One sentence, then another, then another. Slowly, my fear became smaller. When I finished, the class was quiet. Then, some students clapped. My teacher smiled. It was not a perfect speech, but I did it. That day, something changed inside me. I understood that confidence is not about being perfect. It is about trying. After that day, I started taking small risks. I answered one question in class. I spoke to new classmates. I tried new activities. Every small step made me stronger. Sometimes I failed. Sometimes I felt embarrassed. But I did not stop. Because I learned something important. Confidence grows when you move forward, even with fear. Today, I still feel nervous sometimes. But now, I do not let fear control me. I tell myself, it is okay to be afraid. But it is not okay to stop. My journey of self-confidence is still continuing, and I am proud of every small step I took. Final thought. Confidence is not a gift that only some people have. It is a skill, and skills grow with practice. If you feel afraid, start small. Take one step, then another. Slowly, you will become stronger. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep practicing daily. And always remember, confidence begins with one brave step.